Brain hammock, who's it for? It's for women doctors. Why? Because we deal with, pay inequity, gender inequity, sexual harassment, and yet we still have the same degree and we go to the same schools and we have to take the same tests, but we don't have the same opportunities. That is frustrating. So I built a membership where we can learn how to navigate neuroscience tools, so we can build sustainable well-being, a framework. We can keep building on it so we can find what's important to us, go out and find it. It's really interesting. A lot of people that have taken my time management or productivity course have changed jobs. They've gone out and found that opportunity and moved on, and they realize, like, I need to keep learning. And you can, right? Because we have this amazing brain that is made to learn, right? You got it. So any questions, reach out. It's opening soon, Brain Hammock. This is really the early members, so there's a nice deal for the early members. So I'd love to have you in there, and we'll learn together and grow together and support each other because there's a community in there. It's only for women docs, Brain Hammock, okay? You got it.